about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Alright, so I just checked into my room. It's the Hilton. I'm here in Arizona on a work trip. I'm here from Monday through Wednesday. Short flight, it was only 50 minutes. But I've been doing a lot of site visits while I'm out here, getting settled in. But then I think I have to head out right after because we're doing happy hour with some of my coworkers. I am not used to this kind of weather. It is 118 degrees according to my car. So I'm literally melting all day, drinking as much water as I possibly can. So yeah, the next couple of days will be interesting. I didn't bring my GoPro, so we're just using my camera phone for this weekend. But I wanted to show you the room really quickly. All right, when you walk in, it looks super spacious. I love the flooring, pretty standard color walls. Let's start with the bathroom. Just wash my face because I'm a little red. Did I get burned today? I wasn't in the sun, but the little time I was in the sun was pretty intense. But nice big mirror, all your little toiletries here, plenty of towels, standard toilet, walk-in shower, no waterfall rain shower, but I can survive. So you got that, and then there's this little like walk-in closet without a door, which I really like actually. Got your iron and a couple of, I guess you can put your shoes and other, there's a hairdryer, knickknacks here. Mirror when you get ready. Thank you, Mark, for all that eating from this weekend. These are like golf shirt material, so it's supposed to be pretty airy. It's actually been keeping me cool all day, so I've been liking that. Little rack here, hang some of your clothes. Little luggage stand. I guess it's an iron board. So obviously I haven't unpacked. I'll probably unpack once I get back to the room. All right. So once you get to the main area, you got your nice bed. I think I got a king. See if this light turns on. That's not the light. Let's see. These are always, oh, here it is. Ta-da, let there be light. Okay, nice bed. Feels like there should be more artwork, but okay, springy enough. Then you have this big TV console looking thing. TV here, probably watch TV later tonight. Some more storage. I'll probably set up my work computer here. They have complimentary water in the room, but I ended up getting water downstairs because it was cold. This AC unit, which will be on this whole time. Do I have any kind of view? I mean, it's whatevs, but I didn't come for the view. Another little seating area here. And I think last but not least, this little, is this even considered a kitchenette? You know what I mean. So got a little microwave. Coffee, which I don't drink, but I might just because I can. Maybe I'll get some ice later. That sounds good. And then a little mini fridge here. It's cold. I might get a Coke downstairs later. So usually Mark packs all of the toiletries for us, but since I'm traveling alone, I took care of that all last night. So I got some face wash, deodorant. I'm gonna need that for all this heat. Listerine. What did I have for lunch today? I had Mediterranean food and it was packed with garlic sauce. Some Q-tips, this little toothbrush, toothpaste kit, comb, my hair wax. There were some tweezers left in here, and then some Band-Aids just in case. So y'all, this is the wildest thing ever. It is 107 degrees outside. I'm parked in front of a cactus and it is raining during sunset. I don't understand. I hope this isn't a monsoon that people have been talking about, but I mean, I'm gonna get wet no matter what. But so yeah, I think I'm gonna get ready for the night. I don't know if I want to go back out or just stay put. It was a long day. 12 hours since, maybe 13 hours since I woke up to travel all day. This is insanity. How is this even possible? little bar area here. Let's see what they got. I already have water. I think I need more water. What are these snacks? I'm kind of full. Ooh, cup noodle sounds good though. I'll come here for breakfast tomorrow. Mark loves these combos. Hey, good morning everyone. Day 2 here in Arizona, and I'm just sitting in my car letting it cool down a little bit before I hit the road. I'm visiting about 3 or 4 locations today. The first one is about 35 minutes away. It's probably the furthest that I'll have to travel today. I don't know if I'm getting used to the heat, but it's not as bad. It's 9:30 in the morning and it's 106 degrees, but you know, they say you don't really get used to the Arizona heat, so you know, I'm sure it's going to heat up later throughout the day. But these shirts have come in clutch. Yeah, last night I didn't sleep as well. I probably look really tired, if you're wondering. I just went to bed. I talked to Mark for about an hour, and then I fell asleep, woke back up, and then was just on my phone. And then I just was feeling very gassy and bloated, probably TMI. So I didn't sleep comfortably, and that's why I didn't get breakfast this morning. I wanted to do a little shot of breakfast, but I'm like, I can't even think about eating right now. So I did pick up Gatorade just to stay hydrated throughout the day. Probably need to drink it right away, because as soon as I leave, like yesterday I left an iced tea in the car, and it like the ice melted in like 3 minutes. Like it was instant melting. So that's what I have planned today. Just heading the road now. Should get there about 10 a.m. Tonight, may have dinner plans, meeting up with a friend who's from this area. I don't know if he'll be free or not, but if he is, you'll probably see some of that. If not, I'm sure I'll just find something near the hotel and just kind of relax my full day here out in Arizona before I head home tomorrow. I just ended a full day of work, and on my way back to my hotel I noticed that there's a casino and I have some time to kill before dinner, so I thought I would press my luck and see how I do. So let's go inside. I think they have blackjack, so the casino didn't turn out the way that I wanted to, but it's fine. I'm gonna actually grab dinner here before I head back to my hotel. So I got a prime rib. I think it was a 12 ounce with 2 sides, baked potato and mac and cheese, and it came with the side salad. So here's my prime rib. It came out medium rare. This is the 12 ounce, much better than what I got a couple weeks ago when we went to the lobster buffet. Here's the 3 cheese mac, baked potato. What is this sauce? Oh, this must be horseradish. Sour cream. You could have done a little bit better job with the butter, but that's fine. And of course, au jus sauce as well. Piece here in this corner. I love the end piece, look at that. Alright, let's dig in. Oh, it's nice and tender. Actually seasoned quite well. way better than the other meat that we had the other week. Try some of this mac and cheese. Pretty solid. Nothing too special, but still good. I wouldn't send it back. I have horseradish. I should eat a little bit with horseradish. Kind of looks like cottage cheese. This might do that brain thing where it hurts. I prefer this over au jus, but good thing I did a double take. I could have added this to my baked potato on accident. So, quick tip. Mark always says salt and pepper the baked potato before you add stuff. So let's do that. Ooh, butter's already kind of melted. Ooh. Too bad there's no green onion or chives. I would have loved that. Baked potato. It's not the biggest baked potato, but hashtag health. I was a little nervous about eating here because there's only like 4 other tables here. I think this is a steal. Prime rib was only like 20 something bucks. Added 2 sides for another 6. We're golden here. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my meal in solitude. I'm not really good at eating by myself. And then I'm gonna head back to the hotel and just settle in for the night. So I will see you back there. Alright, I have about an hour to kill before my flight. So I just dropped by this spot here at the airport. Grabbed a quick burger, some frites, fries, pretty good. I had avocado and there's Gruyere in here. Alright, my gate changed, so I am walking over there. I probably should have walked, but I'm just using the little escalator. So yeah, I think that wraps up this Arizona vlog. I don't even know how this is going to turn out because I filmed the entire thing with my phone. Probably should maybe get a tripod for it, which I do have, I think, but I don't ever use. But this airport's pretty nice. TSA kind of took a little while, but there was only like 1 gate that we were in, so. I'm home. Look who's here.
Welcome home. I got you some tea.
Hot tea?
Tempura sauce.
Oh. Alright, I'm home. I want to see if Heru's excited that I'm here. Oh, you were there! Hi, Heru! Daddy's home! Hi! Come here! Hi, baby! Yes! How are you? You remember me? Huh? Oh, Stretchy! He remembers me, right? Did Daddy take good care of you? Ew, look at those slobbery kisses. Oh, yes. Itchy. That looks like it feels good, Heru. I missed you. Yeah. I missed you, baby. Yeah. I thought he was under the bed and I didn't realize he was on his bed. Sit. Hey, sit. Sit. Oh, good boy. All right. We'll see you all later.